Hey, I made another piece that I actually planned to do from the beginning, but I had no idea. So I created a bracket from the same profile that I in previous videos. So what is that for? This bracket will hold the wires, these wires, and then it will let you just plug your batteries. So basically, you don't have to keep two wires in two hands, so you just basically have to put it in and then put it out. So I hope it's gonna work. It took me approximately, I don't know, maybe half an hour to do that, so we'll see. Let me just assemble it. Hope you will see the process. Okay, so I need the ties. In the future I will change the ties, so it should be a little bit bigger, and I'll buy a black one, so just to make it nicer, and maybe I'll find different way to attach it. So this bracket should go right here, and I will put the ties right here, so you'll see it. So first of all, I have to put the wires in. I don't like when it's messy with the wires, plus you know, when it's plain all the time, so it's possible probably to break. I didn't hear from anybody that somebody broke the wires, but anyhow, trying to be safe. So how are we going to do that? So I guess it should be this way. So as you can see, before I will install it, I cut these holes kind of bigger than the others. So in these holes will go the wires from the back, and here is gonna be connectors. And this profile will hold the wires, so the connector will not go back and forth. So anyhow, let's see how it's gonna work. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so first one in, second one, okay, 1 second, I have to insulate it somehow. So insulated. Not the best, but I need to do the installation to see if it's going to work. So both connectors in. So now it should go like that, and plus I have to shim it here a little bit. Okay, I should cut it, so I'll be back in a second. So I'm back. Okay. See if it's possible. Shim it just a little bit. actually. It fits well. It's not too much space there. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna work. It works here. It should be the same way here. Okay, so now it goes together. Okay. Another one. Okay. Oh my god, so I didn't drill another holes. I forgot to to drill another holes. So now what I will do, okay, no worries. I'll do another hole and I'll be back. So finally I'm back. I did another holes in the back just to put the tie through the holes. And I'm thinking about the shimming. This idea maybe not the best, but it holds really well. So 1 second. So maybe I'll use this piece of plastic, and it should be, I think it should be okay. But let's see. So what I did, what else I did, I cut the corners right here because one of the corner damaged the wire. But anyways, it's too late now. But don't make the same mistakes. So now I have to be super careful. I don't want to break it again. Perfect fit. Same story. So now I have to put the shim there. Let's cut it. cut the finger, so be careful with your tools. So it should be okay. So now the cut is shorter. It's gonna be less headache. That's it. So now it goes here. Hope it's gonna work. Hope I didn't spend my time for nothing. Alright. So to tighten it up a little better, make it stronger, because I need to push hard when I connect the wires and everything, so it should be secure, you know. Okay. So maybe you'll ask me why I drilled so many holes. So I just trying to protect that center bar right here, center support. So I don't want to scratch it or anything. So that's why I made lots of holes to tighten it up stronger. So let's see the other side. Hey. Okay, so now how it's gonna work? It's gonna work this way. So basically you just plug it in, and if you want to take it off, you don't have to hold two wires to disconnect it, and like I said, you don't have to damage these wires, because I think it's more important. Battery you can always change, which will cost you probably $60 or whatever, but all those wires and stuff is gonna cost you probably even more, so it's about 100 something bucks. So again, connecting. If you need to disconnect, you can take the battery out, and just disconnect it. So that's how it works. I guess it's a good idea. Let me put two batteries one more time. So got another battery. It goes inside, so I have to cut those ties. Okay, so first one probably here, it's gonna be easier, and second one will be here. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look. So then I have this one, and okay, got it, and the second belt. Okay, I think it's strong enough so it will not be wobbling or something, so it holds really good. Again, if you need to disconnect it, just take all this out, free the battery a little bit, and disconnect it. So anyways, I know it's a little complicated. If you like that idea, then thumbs up. If you don't, let me know what you think about that. So this is my Arrma. I'm trying to make it better. So anyways, if you will have any questions, then let me know. This is final look. So it works really well. As you can see, all the wires are here, so everything strong enough, so nothing will break, I hope. And this is the cover, so it works as well. So I guess it looks nice.